In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover an unsaved PowerPoint presentation step by step. If PowerPoint crashed, your computer restarted, or you accidentally closed a file without saving, don't panic. In most cases, your work can still be recovered in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can get your presentation back quickly and safely. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or by searching for PowerPoint in the Start menu on Windows or Spotlight on Mac. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll either see the Start screen with your recent files or a blank presentation. From here, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view where you can manage all of your presentation settings and files. After clicking File, make sure you are on the Info section. In most versions of PowerPoint, Info opens automatically by default. If it doesn't, simply click on Info from the menu on the left-hand side. This section shows you details about your current presentation, including permissions, version history, and document management options. Now look for the option that says Manage Presentation. Click on Manage Presentation, and a small drop-down menu will appear. In that dropdown, select Recover Unsaved Presentations. This is the key option that allows you to access temporary files that PowerPoint automatically saves in the background. As soon as you click Recover Unsaved Presentations, a new folder window will open on your computer. This folder contains auto-saved versions of presentations that were closed without being saved properly. These files are usually stored in PowerPoint's Unsaved Files folder and are kept there for a limited time, so it's important to recover them as soon as possible. Inside this folder, you'll see one or more files with date and timestamps. Look through the list and find the file that matches the presentation you are working on. Pay attention to the date and time so you can select the most recent version. Once you've found the correct file, click on it to select it, and then click the Open button at the bottom of the window. PowerPoint will now open the recovered file. At the top of the presentation, you'll usually see a notification bar indicating that this is a recovered file. Very important. Immediately click Save As and save the presentation to a secure location on your computer, such as your Documents folder or desktop. Give it a clear name so you don't accidentally overwrite it later. This ensures that your recovered work is permanently saved and won't be deleted automatically. And that's it. That's how you recover an unsaved PowerPoint presentation quickly and easily. As a quick bonus tip, you can also enable autosave or adjust auto-recover settings in PowerPoint options to reduce the risk of losing work in the future. Setting auto-recover to save every few minutes can be a real lifesaver. If this tutorial helped you recover your presentation, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.